Hey everyone, and welcome back. If you're anything like me, you're probably fed up with those never-ending monthly subscriptions. It seems like every tool we use for our business, marketing, or online content creation wants a piece of our wallet every single month, right? Especially when it comes to video creation software. These tools can be super powerful, but those recurring fees really add up, making it tough to budget and sometimes even limiting how much content you can afford to create. What if I told you there was a way to get a professional-grade AI doodle video maker with no monthly fees ever? Well, today I've got some genuinely exciting news that could be a total game changer for your content strategy. We found a secret page for InstaDoodle, and they're offering an absolutely insane lifetime deal. You're looking at the InstaDoodle founding members offer, and it's something you definitely want to jump on before it vanishes. Listen to this. Normally, InstaDoodle costs $37 per month. That's over $400 a year. Yes, you heard me right, $37. This is an incredible 87% discount, and it means no monthly bills ever again for this powerful whiteboard animation software. So what exactly do you get with this InstaDoodle $37 lifetime deal? This isn't some stripped-down version, folks. You're getting the full power of InstaDoodle, which includes no monthly fees ever. That's the biggest one, right? Pay once, use forever. Unlimited videos. Create as many captivating AI doodle videos and explainer videos as you need. Seriously, no limits. A super easy drag and drop editor. You don't need any tech skills. If you can click and drag, you can make professional videos. Over 1,000 Doodle Elements, a massive library of assets to bring your stories to life. The DoodleAI Engine. This is where the magic happens, making video creation incredibly fast and smart. 1080p HD videos. Your creations will look crisp, clear, and professional on any platform. And here's a cool bonus. You also get 150 AI credits per month. Yes, even with the one-time payment, you get fresh credits monthly to keep fueling your AI-powered creations. Plus, free updates and dedicated support. Your software stays current and help is there if you need it. Who is this perfect for? If you're a small business owner looking to create engaging marketing videos, an online marketer needing quick ad creatives, an educator wanting to make lessons more dynamic, or just anyone who wants an easy video editor that leverages AI to create stunning whiteboard animations, this is it. Imagine saving hundreds, even thousands of dollars over the years by just paying once. And here's the best part, making this a truly risk-free decision. InstaDoodle offers a full 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can get this one-time purchase deal, try out the software for a month, create some amazing videos, and if for any reason it's not everything you hoped for, you get every penny back. You literally have nothing to lose and a whole lot of creative freedom and savings to gain.